Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be unboxing and putting together a new piece of workout equipment that I got. So excited about this. Stay tuned. So we are unboxing my Twist and Shape. So excited for this. Let's get right into it. The Twist and Shape is a fun and effective total body workout equipment. It comes with a 30-minute workout DVD, calorie cutting meal plan, workout chart, and a fitness tracker. So now that we have everything out of the box, we are going to go ahead and put this thing together so that we can try it out. I love how easy and convenient it was to put my Twist and Shape together, although I did put the handlebars on the wrong way, so I did have to start over with that part, but other than that, it was a piece of cake to put together. The Twist and Shape zeroes in on abs and obliques. It strengthens your core as you twist, tightens your buns and thighs, and it is impact-free cardio exercise. Our Twist and Shaper is ready. I'm so excited to use it. Let's get started. All right, so we are ready to try her out. Okay. Down low with it. This is going to be fun. Twist and Shaper did come with a Twist and Burn workout DVD, which I definitely will be using. It also came with a 10-day Jumpstart meal program. This is what it looks like. So it gives you breakfast, snack, lunch, snack, and dinner options. And then it also comes with an exercise chart that shows you different exercises that you can do with the Twist and Shaper. Definitely excited about adding this to my fitness journey. I will definitely keep you guys updated. So stay tuned for an updated video where I share with you how it's going with the Twist and Shaper and if I see a difference with it, how I like it, and if I recommend the product. So stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope that you have enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.